If you're trying to grow on YouTube, two tools you'll often hear about: one of 10 and creator hooks. One focuses on testing titles and thumbnails. The other digs into analytics. Let's see which gives more advantage in 2025. Creator hooks is built around rapid split tests. Swap titles, thumbnails, see what gets leaks, and optimize fast. It's great when you want to boost CTR and try permutations. One of them doesn't do A-B testing in the same way, but it leverages performance data to suggest title tweaks, thumbnail ideas, and topics that are resonating in your niche right now. Creator hooks give you useful feedback on what worked and didn't for specific assets, but the focus is more tactical. One of them gives you layered data, retention, trending patterns, tapping shifts, so you can see why something worked and replicate it in future videos. With creator hooks, you experiment, see results, adjust. It's great for interactive testing cycles. One of them helps you decide which experiments to run in the first place. It points you toward high probability tweaks, so you don't waste time testing things that won't move needles. Both have value, but if I were building a growing channel, I'd lean toward one of them for combining insight plus direction, not just testing. If you want a tool that helps you test smartly and understand why things work, try one of 10. It's the one I'd pick.